About 92 kilometers south of Kolkata, the capital city of West Bengal, lies an island which for several years now is being washed away, not in bits, but in swathes. The Ghoramara Island in the Sundarban Delta complex of the Bay of Bengal has been facing the devastating effects of climate change. With rising sea levels, high tides and floods have been swallowing portions of the island. In the last 2 decades, the island size has reduced by several times its original land mass. The ravages of Amphan are visible as the boat reaches Ghoramara. Every year, with houses and acres of land being swallowed by a hungry sea, the region is yet to recover from the damage caused by cyclones Alia, Fani and Bulbul in the past. Ghoramara Island, that had a population of over 5,000 as per the 2011 census of India, now has just 650 people living on it. Most of them have fled over the years because of rapid erosion and rising water level shrinking it every day. According to a 2015 report in the Indian Express, the island, also referred to as the Sinking Island, was spread over 22,000 bighas, but now has been reduced to approximately 5,000 bighas. The effect is such that there is apparently a possibility that the island may be wiped off the map very soon. Rice is the staple crop in Sundarbans, but rice paddies are flooded by salt water every year. After a flood destroys a paddy cultivation, it may take up to 5 years before rice can be replanted in the field. West Bengal government has relocated thousands of people to neighboring Sagar Island. High tides and frequent floods have made it impossible for the government to reach out the residents to provide aid and food supplies. Resident Rabiul Shah told First Spot in 2016, "Those who have money can cross the sea. Those who don't wait like us to get drowned. Even if we get the mainland, we remain refugees with no homes, no identity and no community. We are simply losing the battle. There are no provisions for resettlement of climate refugees. People leaving their home for environmental reasons can't seek asylum."
আপনার পরিবারে কে কে আছে?
আমার পরিবারে আমার স্বামী স্ত্রী।
আচ্ছা,
মেয়েটা ছিল, মেয়েটাকে বিয়ে দিয়েছি।
ওকে আপনার নাতনি?
হ্যাঁ, আমার নাতনি।
কি নাম ওর?
ওর নামটা কি রে? আমি ওর নামটা জানি না। এমনি বুলবুলি, এবারে বুলবুলি ঝড়ের দিন হয়েছে।
আচ্ছা, তাই নাম বুলবুলি।
আমি বুলবুলি রেখেছি। এর নাম কিন্তু ভালো।
বুলবুলি। ও আচ্ছা, বুলবুলের সময় হয়েছিল তাই হচ্ছে বুলবুলি।
The last boat from the island departs from mainland West Bengal long before sunset, leaving the islanders cut off from the rest of the country at night. There is no grid-connected electricity and no din of modern life, only the sound of waves lapping the shores. Climate change is a national security issue. When your natural resources are in danger, your country is in danger. Time is running out, but our leaders are not showing the urgency that warrants this issue. Climate is an angry beast, and we are poking at it with sticks.